Hello kids, it's Teacher Jane again. Today I have a new story for you. Yes, it's a short one, but I think you will like it. Yes, so everyone, it's story time with Teacher Jane. Okay, so who can tell me what this is? What is it? Yes, it's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. And our story today is called That's Not My Duck. Yes. Okay, let's read here. It says, its beak is too shiny. Yeah, this is a shiny beak. Beak. Yes. And here is my duck's beak. Yes, you see the beak? What color is it? That's right, it's orange. My duck has an orange beak. All right, so everyone, let's start our reading. Here we go. All right. Okay, so it says, that's not my duck. Its wings, these are wings, are too soft. Yes, these are soft wings. Okay. Look, another duck. Listen, that's not my duck. Its feet, these are feet, are too bumpy. Yes, these are bumpy feet. Okay. Oh, and do you spot the mouse? Yes, it's a mouse. Squeak, squeak. That's not my duck. Its tummy is too fuzzy. Yes, I will touch the fuzzy tummy. It's so fuzzy. All right, it says, that's not my duck. It eggs. Kids, do you see the eggs? 1 egg, 2 eggs. There are 3 eggs. Yes, its eggs are too smooth. Okay, they're smooth. Smooth eggs. Yes. All right. Okay. Next page. Look what it says. That's my duck. Yes. Okay. And here it says, her ducklings are so fluffy. Yes. Do you see the 2 ducklings? 2 ducklings. Yeah, and they're fluffy. All right, and lastly, tell me, what color are the ducklings? What color are they? That's right, they're yellow. 2 yellow ducklings. All right, and the end. That's the end of the story. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's story. See you next time. Bye-bye. And bye-bye from my duck. Bye.